Hello there, my name is Shiji. In this video, I want to show you how to join information together in Microsoft Excel cells. For example, if you have three cells in Microsoft Excel containing the complete names of individuals, such that first name is in one cell, middle name is in a second cell, and surname is in a third cell. How can you join them together to form the full name of these individuals? So before I start, I want you to please note that this video assumes you already know the basic structure of Microsoft Excel, how to name cells, and how to at least input information into a spreadsheet. If you don't, please refer to my video teaching Microsoft Excel for beginners. So let me show you an example. So in this spreadsheet, this is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You can see the names of 10 individuals. So you can see the first name in one column B, and you see the middle name in column C, and the surname of these individuals in column D. I want to show you how to join all this information into one cell. So the first name, middle name, and surname together in one cell. For example, the cell E5. For example, in number 1 here, we have the cell B5 containing the first name, C5 containing the middle name, and D5 containing the surname. So I want to join everything together into this cell E5. How do we do this? Now, I want you to know something. There is a symbol called ampersand. Ampersand in Excel is the symbol for joining information together. Okay, and so I'm going to show you how to use ampersand. So let's try it together now. We'll put the information in here in cell E5 for the row of the first person here. So we'll put a formula. To put a formula in Excel, you type equal. So you can see equal to in that cell. And then I'm going to choose the cell I want to appear first. I want the first name to appear first. If you want the surname to appear first, you will choose the surname first. But I want the first name to appear before all others. So now that is the first name. It's telling me the first name for this one is in cell B5. Now I'm going to apply the ampersand, which on my keyboard is Shift 7. It will put the ampersand. Some call it the and sign, but it's called ampersand. So we're going to choose that. Then because we want to add space, we're going to add space in between double quote sign, like that, double quote sign. So I put the first one, then I press space to give it a space and put in the closing quote sign. Now, let me explain what has happened so far. So this in this cell E5 is going to contain, that's the equal to sign, it's going to contain B5, which is this cell, any information in this cell B5, okay? And then ampersand will say add also a space. Space is quote, space, bar, quote. Okay, so far that's what you understand. So we're going to do that and say to all of that also join, that's ampersand, also join cell middle name, which is cell C5. Okay, and then make sure you add ampersand to also join a space so that there will be space between the names. Okay, and then you are going to have to switch to that add final one, which is the surname. It's very simple. So ampersand is the one joining everything. Space is to include a space in between each of the names when you finish. Okay, and this is what it has said. In this cell E5, make sure you put B5, which is the first name, and then also join, that's ampersand, a space, put in a space, and then join C5, which is the middle name, and join a space, and then add this ampersand sign, add the third one, which is the surname. So if I press enter now, it's going to join everything together. Let me put a heading, which is full name. I'll just put the heading there, full name. So you can imagine if you have up to 3,000 names, to be joining them and typing them one by one can be a problem. So if I just do it like this, it's very simple. Now I'm going to make sure that I join all others. So instead of going through the same formula again, I will just copy the formula, the information inside this cell. I will just copy it to all other cells. To do that very fast, you see, I'm going to make sure my cursor is on the one I have done. Then the box that is showing, I'm going to go to the right bottom corner. Once I position my cursor to the right bottom corner, it's going to change to a black cross from a white cross. It will change. Okay, that's it. Make sure you have the black cross before you do what I'm going to say next. Okay, make sure it's on the corner, the edge of that bottom right of this tick box that is showing. Okay, once it's there, it's going to change to black cross. I'm going to hold my mouse down, left mouse button, and just drag it down to the last information there, to the last row there that I have information. I'm going to drag it down like that. Then I'm going to release it, and it will automatically copy all the formulas to the various cells that I want to include the information. So let's look at this one. For example, in cell E8, it says that it's joining B8 and adding space. So the exact thing we have done, the first one, it has just adjusted it to fit the right information. So this is how you join information together, a simple way of joining information together in Excel. There are other ways, but this is a simple way. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you enjoyed this, please share and subscribe below and share with your friends that may need it. Thank you.